Yeah, we in the championship. Who's down 3-1? Yeah, Philly, champions of the United States. Yeah, turn me up, Cruz.
Yo, what up? About to go get these wheels mounted and balanced for the Trans Am right now. Man, I got a steal for these things, man. I was on Facebook Marketplace one day, and we were just sitting at the table at BW3, and I said, well, let me get on here and see what's for sale. And I think I had just bought something for the car. I can't remember exactly what it was, but I saw these Corvette wheels, and it said $70. I'm like, okay. Well, so I clicked on them. I said, well, you know, they're probably cracked or bent or something is wrong with them. So basically, the wheels are perfectly fine. I mean, it has like a little bit of like clear coat peeling and stuff like that, but it's nothing crazy. I mean, easily the wheels could have sold for $400 or more. So I got them for about 70 bucks. Older guy said he had them in his barn. I guess his father-in-law had a C6 Corvette, and I guess he passed the C6 Corvette down to him, and I guess the vet had aftermarket wheels on it, and he just said, you know, he was tired of looking at them in his barn, and he was willing to let them go, you know, just for pocket change, really, just to get them out of his face. So I went and picked them up. Now I'm about to get them mounted and balanced, and hopefully put them on a car this weekend. And after that, we probably all these potholes, jeez. Probably get it mounted and balanced, and start the cosmetic part of this build. You know, so as of now, it's mechanically sound. Knock on wood, but starting to try to start getting the cosmetics done, get it looking good. I'm currently in the process to get collector plates for the car too, because I don't think it'll pass the E-check here in Cuyahoga County. So if I do that, I won't have to get E-check, and I think I can only drive a certain amount of miles a day. So we'll see, but I'll keep you posted. Check these wheels out. There goes the beauty right there. Here go the wheels right here, polished aluminum. Definitely not chrome, but I'm gonna get them polished up so that they look like chrome. But see, they just had like little imperfections here. The other ones aren't as bad. Some of them have similar spots like this, but for $70, you can't beat it. I picked up these Pirellis. These are tabs wheels going on the Volkswagen. And then these are the wheels right here for the vet wheels over there. About to go get all of these mounted up now. Probably get it put on here this weekend and have some fun. Got them all mounted in the truck. Tires back there. Yeah, we straight. Go get them mounted now. So basically, I was only able to get 3 wheels done because one of the tires that I got a huge hole in it. I don't know how I didn't see it, but the guy I bought it from, he disguised it pretty good. But that was a whole Eagle F1 going down the drain. That's a $400 tire. So now I gotta either find another one or try to find something with similar tread, which is probably what I'm gonna do, because I'm not about to spend that much money in tires when I could just spend it elsewhere, you know. But I was able to just pay for 2. They gave me a deal, and I'm gonna come back once the other tire comes in, and I guess we're gonna go from there. And probably the car probably won't get mounted up until next week, but you know, I'm not in a huge rush. At least I can test fit the wheels to see how they fit. So gonna see. I got 3 mounted. Holding air so far. This is the bad one. I gotta come back for wheel weights on one of these because they ran out, so it was this one right here. I'm gonna come back and they're gonna get me together. We're gonna go from there. I can test fit these vet wheels now. I find it hard to believe that this 11-inch wheel doesn't need a spacer, but that, what's that, a 10.5 on the same size tire just about, needs one. So we about to see right now. Well, on second thought, they do need spacers because this sits in so far. It's literally hitting that bottom part right there. And that's not even on all the way. So we do have to run a spacer. Wow. I guess I do have to use these after all. I'm about to test fit it and maybe see if I could torque it as best as I can so I can get them fully torqued. I mean, I'm not going anywhere, so let's give it a shot. Playing hide and seek. This is so funny. The one in the pink, she can't win. She keep getting found. And Ava in the silver, she keep winning. Of course, she the older sister.
Hold on, wait a minute.
About to get some color. Might as well, since they off. Banana boat. That's only the second coat right now. It's about to be raw. Red wheels. I got the spacers on. You know, they're just sitting on there for now, so we'll see how it goes. Get the other one on later on. But yeah, look at that. That's what I call a unit. That's a unit right there. Soon to be a unit with some color, because the matte black has to go. This is her profile. Those new wheels. I might get bigger spacers, I don't know. A little bit of poke, just a tad.